Hey there, I'm Tara.
And I'm Sean with Seattle Coffee Gear.
Today we'll be diving into coffee gear that will literally make your family squeal with excitement. I'll be picking Sean's coffee savvy brain to discover why the products we've got here make ideal presents and why cold brew is the way to go this holiday season. Even though it's cold brew, you can drink it with a sweater on, so it really does fit the season very well. We've also got a tasty companion to our coffee adventure, an iced coffee with cinnamon and clove cold foam. Stick around if you want to learn more about that. Are you ready, Sean?
I sure am.
Should we sip this baby?
Yeah.
It looked really cool originally, and now that it has settled, but it's going to taste just as amazing. Mm-hmm. Oh wait, we have to cheers.
Cheers, yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about some of these awesome products.
Yeah, of course. Starting off with a classic here, we've got the Toddy cold brewer. This is the one that you see in cafes all the time. Coffee goes up top for a long time, and then when you're ready, you pull the plug at the bottom and cold brew comes out. It's really, really wonderful.
Cold brew just comes out the bottom.
Yeah. It doesn't get any simpler than using a Toddy. It's a really, really wonderful tried and true tool. Swinging on over here, we have the OXO Brew cold brewer. Also a really cool tool. This one actually doesn't even need a filter. Everything that you need with it comes right in the box. So once you put the coffee in the top there, then you put on its shower screen. And when you pour water over top, it'll evenly distribute the water. And when you're ready, you just flip that handy switch.
It looks like a spaceship or something.
Yeah. And even though it starts off pretty big, that spaceship design actually collapses right on into itself, so that way it can be put away for easy storage once you've made your coffee.
And then what do we have at the end?
Right over at the end, we're featuring the cold brew blend from Onyx
This
Coffee.
is really good, by the way, if you've never had it. It's tasty.
Yeah. No, it's so good. It's everything that you want in a cold brew. It's nutty and sweet and just super drinkable and approachable.
It's nutty like this video because of our hats.
Woo! Yes. Other cold brewing essentials. Obviously, you need a good grinder if we're going to get good coffee. And there's just your standard Baratza Encore. This one is a tried and true grinder for all coffee brewing. And even for cold brew, it does awesome, consistent grind in that coarser range. And there really is no reason to buy cold brew when you can make it at home so easily. Starting with something like this, the Miir stainless steel cold brew filter turns any cup into a cold brew maker. You set that filter inside a cup, you put the coffee inside the filter, and then you add water and just wait. Pairs really well with the Miir cups and the new Miir Tomo thermos that is
Everyone loves a thermos. And I've always loved cold brew, but I actually don't know how to make it. So if we were gonna make cold brew here, how would we do it?
Yeah, cold brew really starts off with the grind. You want a good coarse grind. A lot of other coffee methods use a finer grind, but for cold brew, we want it nice and coarse.
Okay.
Once we've got our coffee ground up, we're gonna put it inside our brewing chamber of choice, add water, and then it's 8 up to 24 hours later, depending on the kind of coffee we're making.
It's called patience.
Yes.
For the good coffee.
Yes. And then we get that rich, low acidity cold brew that we all love.
Go check out our Instagram to get this cold brew recipe and all the other amazing ones we cover in our videos. To get a special 10% discount on our amazing coffee gear, you can sign up for our email newsletter. It's super easy to sign up, and you'll get all the coffee gear, discounts, promos, and more straight to your inbox. And then also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notifications. Happy holidays to you all. Good luck on buying all those gifts, and we'll see you next time.